Okay, you guys, so now you have your EIN. You have your EIN paperwork. Everything's matching up. Everything looks good. So now we're going to move on to your LLC. This is where you go to your Secretary of State, where you went to look up and search if the name was available, and you actually put in business entity. You want to create a new one. So you want to form a new LLC. You go ahead, find your Secretary of State in whatever state you're in, and go on the website and you put in the same information that we've been putting in for the EIN and all of your other paperwork. Make sure, this is very, very, very important. Make sure the information is the same exact information that's on your EIN paperwork. If not, it's red flags. So make sure you have the same information from EIN on your LLC. If you have any problems with that, or if you just feel like you're not comfortable enough to do that, I have links below of people that can do it for you for a fee. Or you can reach out to us. You can reach out to us and contact us and ask us questions, and we'll send you videos on how to do it. But it's just simple information, but sometimes people just don't want to do it. So if you don't, I always provide other people that will be able to do it for you. So go ahead, get the LLC paperwork done. It's different prices. It is a fee for LLCs. Just to give you an example, Indianapolis is $100, Texas is $300. So I don't know what state you're in, but it's gonna be a fee for your LLC paperwork. If you have someone else do it, they charge anywhere from $500 to $750 to do it for you. So if you want, just try to do it yourself. But if not, if you're a person that's like, I don't want to do that, and you just rather hire somebody, I have people that I've used that are below. Thank you guys so much. After you get done with this, go ahead and send us your paperwork, and let's move on to the next section. I'll see you in the next step. Bye.